What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can bring back your WhatsApp vertical style status on your WhatsApp. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your WhatsApp. So after opening the WhatsApp, what you need to do, you have to go to on your updates. Please guys, make sure you have the updated WhatsApp version on your mobile phone, and make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after that, what you need to do, you have to search that if you have subscribed or follow to any channel on WhatsApp. So if you follow any channel, a channel or multiple channel on WhatsApp, you have to unfollow them all. You can see you have to go to the channel and click on this three dot bar icon, and you have to unfollow. Okay, so after unfollow all the channels on WhatsApp, you can see the status is already on vertical. So what you need to do, you have to unfollow all the channels on WhatsApp to see your WhatsApp status on vertical style. So this is it guys, this is how you can bring back your old WhatsApp vertical style on your WhatsApp app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.